Yeah, that said we were working on the CRV today.
But it's four-wheel drive.
Yeah, but that's for like a 4-inch lip. I don't think they'll fit.
Oh, man.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be working on Darrel's car. We are going to be replacing your plugs.
Yep.
This is, what year is this?
It's an 04 Honda CRV. It's got the 2.4 VTEC dual overhead cam. They like to hide the plugs on these.
So this little plate right here has your coils attached to your boots, which slide right down into the spark plugs.
Basically, to take those off, you need a 10mm, and then your spark plug is going to be 5/8. These two actually hold down 2 of the coils. The other 2 will be held down by a secondary bolt underneath this cover. So we'll get started. I'm missing one, as you can see. I broke my first tool. That's cool. So we'll just switch over to my adapter.
You already have your ratchet. Wow.
Because I'm on TV.
We're starting early.
Well, it is a cheap set, although technically, since it's from Harbor Freight, it has a lifetime warranty. But it's just a cheap set, so I'm not too worried about it.
This will be a pretty quick job, so it'll be a short video.
Yeah, it's not much to it, but sometimes we've gotten questions about where their spark plugs are located because they hide them under these dust covers. People are used to them being on the front of the engine or the side of the engine. These go straight into the valve cover. As you can see, those are the 2 studs that hold 2 of these coils down, and there's 2 more coils to take off.
And if you didn't know, where the other 2 studs?
I like the way you think.
So these are the tops of the coils here. And the bolt is here. And the other bolt is right where his fingers are.
So I moved away so you can see it for a second.
The other studs go straight down in the top of the other 2 coils. The coils are pretty simple to remove. Just be careful of your wiring.
You want to be careful with these also. You got 2 little bushings. Don't want to lose those. Not like the one really matters because, you know, just pop each one of these coils off from the end of the spark plug. I can get my fingers in there. Just like that, they fold right up. And then you just kind of lift it out of the way. It's kind of a pain. So sometimes it's easier just to unplug them. And then they'll pull straight out. You want to keep these in order. The coils usually get used to a certain polarity for each one. But when you're replacing all of them, it doesn't matter. I am not replacing those because they are expensive. And they all seem to be working properly.
What are they, 50 bucks pop on this?
Sounds about right. Might even be 60. I haven't priced it.
For those who were there watching the video of Zach's truck, his are $60 a piece, and he has 8 of them.
Yeah, I'll just stick to my little 4-cylinder.
I'll just stick to my,
Same exact motor, and then your giant V8 in the other truck.
Yeah, my big V8 that I don't have to worry about, and the same exact motor.
In the other car. So, it looks like I might have fun with this one, just simply because most spark plug sockets have rubber boot in there.
In there.
Oh, that's fine.
It looked like it.
It's because you sell a rubber boot. And it's supposed to grab a hold of the top of the spark plug and pull it out with it. Mine obviously is not. So I'll have to reach in there with something to get it. So far, so good. I'm 0 for 2.
Oh, for
Alright.
Alright, so we gotta get something to get all the plugs out of there. We'll be back. Okay, so telescoping magnet. If I can get down in there without hitting the walls.
Just like that.
Get off the wall, thank you. Oh. Oh, there it went. I was like, did we miss her?
I don't know if you can see that, but they're not horrible. They're just kind of wore out. You can see a little bit on the tip. Very fine tip. These are probably iridiums in here. I'm not putting iridium back in. I just got a platinum NGK. Any kind of Honda, I recommend going with NGK simply because it's a factory plug. They use Denso, but it's the same company.
And they work really well.
Definitely do. Now, if you can get the iridiums, I definitely suggest going with them. But this is a daily driver, and I'll probably burn through them pretty quick, considering how far I drive every day. And even on the new plugs, it doesn't grab worth a crap.
Of course.
So, you just kind of get it started real nice and easy.
If at any point you're putting plugs in and the ratchet starts to lock up as soon as you start tightening, back it back out and try again, because the plug's not going in straight. You don't want to cross thread them in there. Cross threading's bad.
Very, very bad. So, as you can see, it's fairly simple. This is more just to show you where they are and what you have to take off to get to them.
You just want to get the plug snug and give them just a little turn more. Each one of them goes down inside.
Yeah, you don't want to get any blow by, so you want to make sure they're tight, but you don't want to over tighten them because then you'll strip the head and you have a lot more serious problems.
When people drive by and stare at me when I'm holding the camera.
Get sick of hearing the click, click, click. That's pretty much all there is to the plugs.
I'm just going to reverse the process and make sure each one of those goes back into the same hole it came out of.
And when it goes down, you want to make sure it's in the groove and just make sure it pushes all the way down. They don't really snap in on this, although on other vehicles they do a little bit.
You may hear a click or a snap.
But that's it. As long as they're all flush, snap that back in place, plug them all in, put your bolts back on, and you're good to go.
Alright guys, so we hope you enjoyed this video. That's just going to wrap it up now. We will catch you on the next video. Soon we'll be working here on the truck again, trying to get some of it finished up. So we'll see you then. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
There you go. Yeah, they hit the no fun button. Unlike all-wheel drive donuts. Keep going. Starting. Fireball. Everyone, welcome back. Hey, how's it going? What are you doing? What's going on? Hey, we can crack your leg in.